You did everything right. You went to school. You got a good job. You bought a house. Maybe you even started saving for retirement. But something feels off. You still feel stuck, like you're just treading water. Sound familiar? This is the middle class trap. For years, we're told that the middle class life is the goal. Get a good education, find a stable job, buy a house, start a family. It's the picture of success, right? But what they don't tell you is that this picture often comes with a hefty price tag, a life tethered to debt, endless bills, and the constant pressure to keep up. The truth is, many middle-class families are living on the edge. They might look successful on the outside, but behind the facade is a mountain of financial stress. They're juggling mortgage payments, car loans, credit card debt, and the ever-increasing costs of living. The weight of these obligations can be suffocating. This is the middle-class trap. It's the illusion of success that keeps people stuck in a cycle of working to pay for a lifestyle they may not even truly enjoy. It's a system that benefits from keeping you on the treadmill, constantly striving for more, but never quite getting ahead. Here's the secret. Most middle-class people don't actually build wealth. They build liabilities. As their income grows, so do their expenses. It's a never-ending cycle of earning more and spending more. Think about it. You get a raise, so you buy a bigger house. You need a nicer car to go with that house. You take fancier vacations to show off your success. But with each step up the ladder, you're actually digging a deeper financial hole. This is what we call lifestyle inflation, the insidious trap of equating spending with success. We're conditioned to believe that material possessions and experiences are the markers of a fulfilling life. But the reality is, true wealth isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you keep. The middle-class trap keeps you comfortable, but not wealthy. It encourages you to trade time for money, then spend it on things that tie you to the system. You go to school to get a good job. You get a job to pay for your house and car. And so the cycle continues. But you don't have to play by these rules. There's a way out of the middle-class trap. The middle-class trap is more than just a financial problem. It's a mindset trap. Most middle-class individuals are taught to think like employees, not entrepreneurs or investors. This employee mindset keeps you focused on the short term. The idea of building wealth seems unattainable. You're taught to play it safe, avoiding risks. To escape, shift your mindset. Think like an investor, focusing on long-term growth. One of the biggest traps of the middle-class lifestyle is the normalization of debt. Mortgages, car loans, student loans, these are marketed as essential, but are actually shackles. These debts drain your income. Instead of building wealth, you're paying off interest. You're making the banks richer, not yourself. To escape, live below your means and pay off high-interest debt quickly. The middle class is often encouraged to save for the future, but traditional savings methods rarely keep pace with inflation. While saving is essential, relying solely on low-yield savings accounts and traditional retirement plans won't build significant wealth. The interest earned on these accounts is often outpaced by the rising cost of living, meaning your savings are actually losing purchasing power over time. It's like running on a treadmill. You're putting in the effort, but you're not making any real progress. Moreover, many people delay investing because they believe they need a large sum of money to get started. This misconception prevents them from tapping into the power of compound interest, where even small, consistent investments can grow exponentially over time. To escape this illusion, you need to explore alternative investment vehicles that offer higher potential returns. This could include investing in stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, all of which can help you build wealth faster than traditional savings methods. Breaking free from the matrix. The middle-class trap keeps you comfortable, but not wealthy. It thrives on a cycle of working to pay for an unfulfilling lifestyle. But you can break free with a mindset shift. Challenge societal norms defining success as material wealth. Prioritize experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Build multiple income streams for financial security. It requires courage, but the rewards are worth it. Trading time for money. Change your relationship with work. Most people trade time for money. They work hours for a fixed paycheck. This system limits your earning potential. You only have so many hours to sell. Promotions and hard work still confine you. Trading time for money feels like a trap. You're exchanging precious time for limited money. Think differently about earning income. Explore ways to generate money not tied to time. This is where assets come in. The power of assets. The wealthy understand a fundamental principle that most of the middle class overlooks: the power of assets. While the middle class focuses on earning a paycheck and accumulating liabilities, things that cost them money, the wealthy focus on building assets, things that put money in their pockets. An asset is anything that generates income or appreciates in value over time. This could be a rental property that generates monthly cash flow, a business that produces profits, or stocks that pay dividends and increase in value. The beauty of assets is that they work for you, even when you're not working. They provide a stream of income that's not directly tied to your time, allowing you to build wealth passively and achieve financial freedom. By shifting your focus from trading time for money to acquiring and managing assets, you break free from the limitations of a traditional job and create a path towards lasting wealth. The employee mindset often conditions people to believe that their worth is solely determined by their job title and salary. But the truth is, you possess unique skills, talents, and experiences that have the potential to generate income beyond the confines of a traditional job. Perhaps you have a knack for writing, photography, or graphic design. Maybe you're passionate about cooking, fitness, or teaching. Or perhaps you have entrepreneurial aspirations and a vision for a business that could solve a problem or fulfill a need. The digital age has created unprecedented opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills and passions. Online platforms and marketplaces make it easier than ever to reach a global audience and generate income from anywhere in the world. Don't limit yourself to the confines of an employee mindset. Embrace your potential, explore your passions, and look for creative ways to turn your skills into income-generating assets. Shifting from an employee mindset to an investor mindset involves embracing an entrepreneurial spirit. Adopt an entrepreneurial way of thinking and look for opportunities to create value. Identify problems you're passionate about solving or needs you can fulfill. Side hustles can evolve into profitable businesses. Take action, experiment, and learn from your experiences. Embrace an entrepreneurial mindset to take control of your financial future. Imagine this. You just got a promotion, congratulations. You're excited, and rightfully so. More money means more opportunities, right? But here's where the middle-class trap snaps shut. Instead of using that extra income to build wealth, many people fall victim to lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is a sneaky beast. It whispers in your ear, "You deserve this," every time you get a raise or bonus. Suddenly, a bigger house, a fancier car, designer clothes, and exotic vacations seem not just desirable, but necessary. This desire for more is often fueled by societal pressures and comparisons. We see others with bigger houses, newer cars, and envy creeps in. We start to believe that our worth is tied to our possessions, that we need to keep up with the Joneses to feel successful. But here's the harsh reality. Lifestyle inflation is a fast track to staying stuck. It keeps you on the treadmill, working harder to afford a more expensive life without actually getting ahead financially. The Hedonic Treadmill. Lifestyle inflation traps us on what psychologists call the hedonic treadmill. This means we quickly adapt to our improved circumstances and constantly seek the next new thing to bring us happiness. We buy a bigger house, but then we need to fill it with expensive furniture. We get a new car, but then we crave an even fancier model. This constant pursuit of more leaves us feeling perpetually unsatisfied. We work harder, earn more, but the finish line keeps moving. We end up trapped in a cycle of consumerism, always chasing the next dopamine hit that comes with a new purchase. The problem is, happiness and fulfillment don't come from material things. They come from experiences, relationships, personal growth, and living a life aligned with our values. Investing in your future self. Instead of inflating your lifestyle with each raise, imagine redirecting that money to your future self. Imagine investing in assets that will generate passive income, allowing you to achieve financial freedom and design a life on your own terms. Think of it this way. Every dollar you spend on a depreciating asset, like a car or designer clothes, is a missed opportunity to invest in an appreciating asset, like a rental property or a dividend-paying stock. By resisting the urge to upgrade your lifestyle with every raise, you can accelerate your path to financial freedom. That extra money you're not spending on a bigger house or a fancier car can be invested in assets that will generate income for years to come. Building a life of value. Escaping the trap of lifestyle inflation is about more than just money. It's about defining what truly matters to you. It's about building a life based on values, not fleeting trends or societal pressures. Instead of chasing the next big thing, focus on experiences that bring you joy and fulfillment. Invest in relationships, pursue your passions, and prioritize personal growth. These are the things that truly matter in life, not the size of your house or the brand of your car. Remember, true wealth isn't measured by how much you consume, but by how much you create and contribute. It's about having the freedom to design a life that aligns with your values and makes a positive impact on the world. So, ditch the hedonic treadmill, break free from the seduction of more, and start building a life of true value and purpose. The middle-class trap relies on a single point of failure, your paycheck. If that paycheck disappears, whether due to job loss, illness, or economic downturn, your entire financial world can crumble. Building multiple income streams is about creating financial security and resilience. Imagine having not just one, but 2, 3, or even more streams of income flowing into your bank account. Suddenly, the loss of one income source, while unwelcome, wouldn't be catastrophic. You'd have other streams to support you while you navigate the challenge. Multiple income streams act as shock absorbers for your finances. They provide a safety net that allows you to take risks, pursue your passions, and weather life's inevitable storms with greater confidence. Remember, building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about creating a financial ecosystem that's designed to support your goals and provide for your future. Diversifying your income streams. When building multiple income streams, diversification is key. This means creating income from a variety of sources, so you're not overly reliant on any single one. Imagine a table with multiple legs. It's much more stable than a table with just one. Think of it like this. You could have one main income stream from your job and supplement that with passive income. This could include rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, or royalties from books, music, or online courses. Side hustles. Turn your skills and passions into income by freelancing, consulting, selling products online, or offering services in your community. Investments. Grow your money over time through investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets that generate returns. By diversifying your income sources, you create a more robust and resilient financial foundation that can weather economic fluctuations and unexpected life events. Exploring your options. The beauty of the digital age is that it offers countless opportunities to create multiple income streams, often with minimal startup costs. Here are a few ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Yin, online business. Launch an online store, offer coaching or consulting services, create and sell digital products, or become an affiliate marketer. Content creation. Share your knowledge and passions through blogging, vlogging, podcasting, or creating online courses. Freelancing. Offer your skills in writing, editing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, or other in-demand fields. Investing. Explore different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate crowdfunding, or peer-to-peer lending. Remember, the best income streams are those that align with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Designing your income ecosystem. Building multiple income streams isn't about working yourself to the bone. It's about designing an income ecosystem that supports your desired lifestyle and financial goals. Start by defining your financial goals. Do you want to achieve financial independence, retire early, travel the world, or simply have more financial security? Once you know what you're working towards, you can start designing an income ecosystem that supports those aspirations. Remember, building multiple income streams takes time and effort. Start small, focus on one stream at a time, and gradually build your portfolio. As your income grows, reinvest some of it back into your existing streams or explore new opportunities. By taking control of your finances and creating multiple streams of income, you empower yourself to design a life of freedom, purpose, and abundance. Breaking free. The middle-class trap is real, but it's not a life sentence. You've been given the tools to break free. Start thinking like an investor, building assets that generate income. Explore your options. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. Break free and build the life you deserve.